28 है ना टुडे? अभिजीत नाथ, अंतिका, अनुश्री, बर्नाली, विक्रम, विष्मिता, कविता, कृति, लीजा, मृगांका, निखिल कुमार, प्रज्ञा दास, सप्तर्षि दास, सप्तर्षि, सौरभ, फिफ्टीन, 18 कौन बीच में आ गया? मिस हो गया कोई? अभिजीत, अनामिका, अंतिका, अनुश्री, बर्नाली, विक्रम, विष्मिता, कविता, रति, लीजा, मृगांका, निखिल, प्रज्ञा, सप्तर्षि, 16. Okay, now let us see here. In a coordinate geometry, we have completed already, but I will show it to you the once again exercise problems to you very clearly. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There may be a network problem because the board may not be visible. It is heavy rain is there now outside. I think you are audible to the sound also. Is it audible to you? Rain sound. Rain
Yes,
voice.
sir. Yes, sir.
So I will show it to you the exercise 3.2 you see here. So once let us discuss the exercise 3.2 problems here. So what is the first question here? It is given to you. In the exercise, write the answer of each of the following questions. What is the name of the horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane?
Axis and ordinate.
No. Horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line is called
X-axis and Y-axis.
The coordinates को axis and ordinate बोलते हैं, and horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called as a y-axis. Do remember that point. So what is the name of the each part of the plane formed by these two lines? क्या बोलते हैं?
Quadrants.
Quadrant. Q-U-A-D-R-A-N-T. Quadrant. It is called as a quadrant. So write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. What do we
Origin.
call
Origin.
Okay, very good. See the figure 3.4 and write the following. Coordinate B, coordinate C, the point identified by the coordinate -3, -5. So here, what are the coordinates of the B here? Who will answer? Wait. Barnali will answer. What are the coordinates of the B here? Barnali Nath.
Yes,
Can
sir.
can you hear me? So what are the coordinates
Yes,
of the
sir.
B? Here with the hand I am showing to you. What are these coordinates?
2 comma minus
No,
5.
no, no, no. Minus 5.
Minus 2 comma 2. Minus 5 comma 2.
First, this x-axis you need to take into consider बेटा. X-axis में point लेना है. Then after y-axis का point लेना है. Everyone please note this point. Okay. The point B is minus 5 comma 2. So next question is asking to you here, what are the coordinates of the point C? Point C coordinate Bishmita will say. Bishmita. Bishmita.
Yes,
So
sir.
what are the coordinates of the point C? In this figure, what are the coordinates of the point C?
5 comma minus 5.
5.
5 comma minus
Very
5.
good. So now the next third question is given to you. What are the coordinates of the minus 3 comma minus 5? So what is the name of the point minus 3 comma minus 5? So minus 3 x-axis minus 5 y-axis. So what is that coordinate? Because will say.
Hello.
Because. Okay, Kavita, you say.
सर प्रेजेंटिंग करा रहे हो क्या? प्रेजेंटिंग करा रहे हो क्या सर? हेलो.
Okay. What's the problem?
हेलो सर. सर प्रेजेंटिंग करा रहे हो क्या?
Your voice is not audible to me.
Sir, he is asking that you are presenting the screen or not.
Yes, I am presenting the screen na. In this here, see. I am asking the point.
But in his mobile, it is not showing. I mean.
For him not showing.
सर ब्लैक हो रहा है. पूरा ब्लैक सर. ब्लैक.
Black show कर रहे.
हाँ सर.
Okay, maybe network problem है. Okay, leave it. बाकी सबको दिखाई दे रहे.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The fourth question is the point identified by the 2 comma minus 4. 2 comma minus 4 is asking to you. What is the point identified by the 2 comma minus 4? Anusri. Okay. Anyone of you say?
Sir, G.
G. Sir, me. G.
G. The point G. So abscissa of the point D. Point D का abscissa क्या है? What is the abscissa of the point D? Any one of you? Lisa.
सर 6.
6 comma 2.
No. Only abscissa is asking. So abscissa
Six.
बोले तो what you need to give the
Sir,
answer?
Sir, 6.
6.
6.
No, only 6 you need to say.
Sir, 6.
The ordinate of the point H. Point H का ordinate क्या है?
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Sir, minus 3.
Yes, minus 3. The coordinates of the point L. Coordinates बोले तो both बोलना है. ये L का coordinates क्या है?
0 comma 5.
Sir, 0 and 5.
0 comma 5. Very good. Coordinates of the point M. M is here.
So minus 3 and 0.
Minus
Sir, minus
0 minus 3.
Minus 3 comma 0.
0 comma minus 3.
कोऑर्डिनेट जंप एक्सरसाइज 3.2 इसे ये फिगर ड्रा करना है, वो पॉइंट्स को आंसर्स लिखना है आप नोटबुक में. ओके, so next plotting the points in a plane with the coordinates given. Coordinates दे दिया तो how to plot the points already you know that. So this exercise also I think you can do it in a easiest way. It's not a very difficult to you to do it. This can you do it? In which of the quadrant are on which axis do the -2, 4 किधर रहता है, किस क्वाड्रेंट में रहता है?
Sir, second quadrant.
Yes. 3, -1.
Fourth quadrant.
Sir, fourth quadrant.
Yes. -1, 0.
Sir, x-axis.
X-axis. 1, 2.
First quadrant.
-5.
Third quadrant.
Sir, repeat, sir. Sir, please repeat.
-3, इधर नहीं दिख रहे. -3, -5.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. So in this problem you need to plot these points in the graph. एक ग्राफ पेपर ड्रॉ करके उसमें प्लॉट करना है. ओके, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Next, second question is given, plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing the suitable units of the distance on the axis. Okay, so 0, बाकी सब points तो easily you can note. 0, -1.25. -1.25 नोट करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल होता होगा. It's not a very difficult. This point will be on y-axis. Y-axis में नीचे रहता है, एक पॉइंट रहता है. Okay, you can take the coordinates as a 1 unit.
Sir. Sir. Sir, between 5, sir, in the middle of the 5 means 5, 1.25 and 25 means we can plot in the middle of the 5.
Yes, middle of the 5 you can do it. The middle of the 5 is nothing but actually, when you see that I am going to stop the presentation now. Now the full board is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if you see that the heavy rain is there, yeah. The point 0, -1.25 if you want to locate. One more unit if you take 1, 2, 3. Here -1, here -1.25. So that means here -1.5 will be here exactly middle. In your graph sheet also you are going to have this marking. So approximately in the middle you mark it. At this point you write, whenever you mark it, you need to write 0, -1.25. 0, -1.25 you need to write like this. So wherever the points are given to you, that points you locate that points, and so now I will show you to the answer to you now this question. First question is given -2, 8. -2, 8 lies between here -1, here -2. On the x-axis you are having till the number 3 that is there. On the y-axis till the -1.25 and 8. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so now what you write, -2, 8. -2, 8. This is the point. -2, 8. So not only plotting that, after plotting near that point you write -2, 8. Next -1, 7. -1, 7 will be here. -1, 7. Next 0, -1.25 already marked. Next point is 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. This is the point 1 comma. The next one is 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1 is this one. 3 comma minus 1. Like this you need to plot the points. Did you understand here?
Yes, sir.
So with this we have completed. See here, textbook में क्या है एक बार पढ़ लो, ये complete. And tomorrow we are going to start the new chapter. Tomorrow we will start it. And if you have any doubts in the coordinate geometry or any previously also in the previous classes also, then you can ask the doubts. Whatever the doubts you are having, you can ask. If not, I will ask some questions to you in the polynomials. Can I?
Sir, we need to do the whole chapter in graph.
What?
Sir, we need to do the whole chapter in graph.
Yes. Otherwise, if you are not, take the graph paper and cut it and paste in your notebook.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir.
Now I will show some more questions. I will show it to you. So what are the answers for that? You try to answer it. What is the answer for that?
Sir, your screen is not presented, sir.
Screen is not presenting.
No, sir.
If not presenting, then I will ask the question to you.
Yes, sir, it is present, sir.
अरे
Sir, half.
आ गया चला गया. Wait.
कर दो सर, आ जाएगा अभी.
Sir, the answer will be half. D. Sir, D. Half.
Answer is what?
Half. 1/2. Option D.
1/2. Option D.
No, sir, zero. No, sir, zero.
No, sir, 0.
Zero, sir. Sir, zero.
Sir, D.
Sir, zero, sir, sure.
0.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, zero, sir.
Vishmita is saying no. Vishmita, what is the answer?
Half. 1/2.
No, 0 is the answer. Actually, this question also I thought of giving to you in the test, but not given this one. It's a question number 22. I thought of giving 25 questions to you, but it takes a more time. That's why I have not given. This question is also selected, means I have made it. Root 2 is which type of the polynomial?
Constant polynomial.
Non-zero constant polynomial. The degree of the non-zero constant polynomial is 0. आप क्या ना 2 का पावर देख रहे हैं. You are seeing the power of 2. डिग्री बोलने के लिए हम x का पावर देखना है. विस्मिता समझ में आ रहा है?
सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है.
दिखाई दे रहे हैं.
हाँ सर, बोर्ड में अभी
Root
दिखाई
2 is
दिखाई दे रहा है.
2 into x power 0. Root 2 is nothing but root 2 into x power 0. Any constant, if you non-zero constant, if you take, that is having the power of the variable 0. X power 0 value is 1. So root 2 can be written as root 2 into 1. and 1 can be written as x power 0. That's why any non-zero constant polynomial degree is 0. So here the degree of this polynomial is also 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now one more question I will give it to you. Take the notes and try this question. X plus y whole cube minus x minus y. X plus y whole cube. Sorry, second polynomial में minus होना है. अरे while talking it was missed. No, सही है. X plus y whole cube minus x cube plus y cube.
सर वापस बोलो ना.
What is the answer for that?
Please tell the question again.
Huh? Here
Question,
it is
sir. Question.
x plus y, not showing to you, presenting the screen on the screen it is showing now.
No, sir.
X plus y whole cube. बोर्ड में लिखता हूँ. I will write on the board. Which of the following is the factor? What is the factor you will get for this? If you factorize this, what do you get? Factorize this. Suppose a question can be asked to you like that also. Factorize this. Can anyone answer? Is it visible and audible to you? Priyanka, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The answer not getting.
Sir, trying, sir.
Trying.
Yes, sir.
कुछ नहीं है, ये बहुत सिंपल है. इतना टाइम क्यों ले रहे हैं?
Sir, 3xy.
Yes, it's correct answer.
Yes.
Yes, 3x.
3xy.
ये x cube plus 3xy of x plus y plus y cube minus x cube minus y cube. ये plus x cube minus x cube y cube will get cancel. ये बचता है. So 3xy of x plus y. So इसमें one factor is 3xy, another factor is x plus y. Suppose in the answer if it is given x plus y also, that also can be a factor. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir. Sir, but in the options there were no x plus y. That's why I told 3xy.
Yes. That's a good. Next, can you solve this question? What is the value of b?
Sir, half. 1/2.
Value of b.
Yes, sir. Value of b 1/2.
No.
Sir, 1 by root 2.
No.
Sir, 1/4.
Huh?
1/4.
1 by 4.
4. Yes, sir.
Sir, 1/4.
Yes, sir. 1/4.
1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
1 by 4 सही है. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct only. Now I will show it to you some more questions in the coordinate geometry, objective type of questions. I will show it to you. Fatafat try to answer the questions here. Okay. First question. The point -3, 5 lies in
Second quadrant.
Sir, second quadrant.
Second quadrant, sir.
signs of the abscissa and ordinate of the point in the second quadrant. Second quadrant में क्या क्या होता है? Signs.
Sir, minus,
The minus plus.
Minus plus. Minus plus,
Minus
sir.
plus. Minus comma plus.
Yes.
Minus comma plus.
Third one is 0, -7 lies
X in the x-axis, sir.
in
X.
Y-axis.
x coordinate 0.
X.
On my axis.
On y axis.
On X.
Fourth question see. -10, 0.
Sir,
Axis.
The x-axis.
Options देखो. X-axis नहीं लिखा. X-axis and the negative direction of y-axis. In the third quadrant, in the fourth quadrant.
Sir, A1.
Negative direction of X-axis.
A. In the negative direction of the x-axis. Fifth question, if you see abscissa of the point on x-axis. Abscissa of the point on x-axis.
Any number.
so what is the
Any
meaning of
number.
abscissa?
Any number.
Yes, sir. Any number.
Any number.
Yes, sir, any number.
Ordinate of all the points on x-axis.
Any number. Any number. Any number, sir.
अरे abscissa any number होता है तो ordinate भी any number होता
No, sir. No,
Sir,
sir.
0, 0, 0.
No, sir.
Any
Zero. Zero.
है. Zero है. Abscissa can be any number.
Zero.
x-axis में points कैसे होता है 2, 0, 5, 0, 7, 0, -2, 0 like that it will be there on x-axis. So first coordinate is any number. That means abscissa is any number and ordinate is 0 always. It is fixed. Okay. Next question, see. The point at which the two coordinate axes meet is called.
Origin.
Sir,
What do we call?
Origin.
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 Whose coordinates are negative will lie in.
Quadrant 4. Quadrant
Third.
4.
Sir, quadrant third.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
Quadrant third. Third quadrant.
Third quadrant. Third quadrant. Next. Ninth question. देखो. The points. All these points will lies. Do not.
Fourth quadrant.
2.
Huh? Sara quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Do
Fourth
not lie
quadrant.
in the sixth quadrant.
Sir, D number. D number, sir.
D number, sir. D number. D number.
In the same quadrant.
सर सेम क्वाड्रेंट में नहीं है.
सारा एक ही quadrant में
Do not
रहेगा.
lie in the same quadrant.
Yes. 10th question देखो. Y coordinate of the point is 0. Then the
Sir,
point
do not
lies.
lie in the same quadrant.
हाँ ये 9th question का
Same
answer
quadrant. Do not lie in the same quadrant.
हाँ 9th question हो गया बेटा. 10th में आओ. If y coordinate of the point is 0, then this point always lies
On x-axis.
on x-axis. Yes.
On x-axis.
Next, 11th question. The point -5, 2 and 2, -5 lies. -5, 2 will be in a second quadrant. 2, -5 lies in a fourth quadrant. Second and fourth quadrant respectively. C answer. इसका answer C.
Option C. Option C.
Option C. Now 12th question.
C.
12th question. Read the question. If the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis is 5 units and the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction of x-axis, then the point P has. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया?
सर एक बार समझा देना सर फिर से.
I will write. I will.
Sir.
If the perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis is 5 units, perpendicular distance बोले तो एक लाइन ड्रा करते तो उधर से इधर तक 5 यूनिट्स का डिस्टेंस है पॉइंट P का, and the foot of the perpendicular lies on negative direction of x-axis. Foot of the perpendicular बोले तो ऐसा एक पॉइंट होता है ना, this is a point P मान लो, इधर से एक perpendicular लाइन ड्रा करते हैं, इधर से एक perpendicular लाइन ड्रा करते हैं, and this point lies on the negative axis बोला है, this is called the foot of the perpendicular. Foot बोले तो नीचे में, हमारा foot नीचे होता है ना, in the same way foot of the perpendicular. So point P x-axis ये x-axis मान लिया no, like this. This is the situation. So now what is given here? Perpendicular distance of the point P from the x-axis. X-axis से point P का distance होता है, ये distance 5 units है. इधर से इधर तक 5 units है. Distance. And foot of the perpendicular lies on a negative direction of x-axis. ये negative direction of x-axis में होता है. Then the point P has x coordinate -5, y coordinate 5, y coordinate -5 only, y coordinate 5 or -5. Now which option is right for this? इधर क्या हो सकता है इसका point? Can you say? Okay, I will explain to you this one. See here, इधर से इधर तक distance 5 units बोलो तो इधर से इधर तक distance भी 5 units होता है ना, तो ये 5 units मान सकते हैं. बट ये किधर टच हो रहे हैं हमको पता नहीं, तो ये नेगेटिव समथिंग नेगेटिव होगा, सम नेगेटिव एनी नंबर, नेगेटिव x माइनस x मान लो. अब ये y axis को फाइंड होगा. Now you say the point is having Now you say the answer.
Sir, your voice is very low, sir.
Voice is low.
Yes, sir.
Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No, sir, it is still low.
Oh, maybe network problem is there. Okay, this question you try here. Did you understand? Y coordinate 5 hota hai. Y coordinate 5. We are going to have the y coordinate 5. So the remaining questions, if you see in this, just different shapes you are going to get, and that shapes is asking to you to do it. Okay, you can do it. It's not a very difficult task to you to do it. Okay, already time is also up, and you are saying voice is low. Then one by one, please leave the class.
Thank you, sir.